Only watch this video if you cannot do it in Excel, because by just watching a video, that's not the way you're going to learn Excel. You learn Excel by doing it yourself, actually, in Excel. Good, on this sheet, we're going to learn about functions with 2 arguments, because up to now, we've mainly used functions with 1 argument. So how does that look like? Well, here we see an example. This function round is going to round a number. That's the first part. That's the first argument. And then we need to tell Excel to how many digits we wanted to round down that number. That's the second part of the argument, or that's the second argument. So the separation between different arguments is done with a comma, or maybe with a semicolon, with a comma point, depending on how your computer is configured. So here, this is one function. It's called round. It just rounds to the nearest number. Then we also have round up. It's very similar. It takes you have to refer to a number and then say to how many digits you want it to round up. And then there's round down. And you see here we've said we wanted to round up to 5 digits, and you see there are 5 digits behind the comma. Here we ask it to round down to 2 digits, to round up to 2 digits. So we see here Excel rounds up to 5.79, and all the rest is zeros. Good, let's try to do this ourselves. So we need to round down the supplier prices to 2 decimals. So I'm going to start by writing round down, selected with tab. This is the number, and we need to round it down to 2 digits. So that's the second argument, 2. There you go. This seems to be correct. Yeah, you see this number is this number, but rounded down up to 2 decimals. And this the customer prices, we need to round them up. So I'm going to write round up, select it with tab. We refer to the number we want to round up, and then we say we want it to round the number up to 1 digit. So I'm going to write 1. And we can also copy it down by double clicking on the black cross. That's all.